Hey, how are you all? I know Vlogmas stopped very abruptly, and I'm really sorry about that, but I'm hoping that you know, if you've watched this, you understand why. My stepdad died on the 20th of December last year, and I just needed a bit of a break, so I hope that's okay. I just thought I would come back quickly and say I miss you all. I've got loads of videos to film. Today is the first day I put makeup on. What is it today? 17th of January. So yeah, I put makeup on. I'm making some soup. The boys are here. There's Gary. Hi Gary. I was just having a wee and he jumped on my lap while I was having a wee, which was nice. Binksy. Binksy cat. Fox is asleep in his bed upstairs. I just had therapy. Where's Bandit? Bandit! Here he is. Hi Bandit boy. Hi good boy. Gary's trying to get the camera. Yeah. Lots has happened in the last month. I'm going to film the videos. I've got quite a few to film, so I'm going to film Degusta Box, Glossy Box, Innocent Bones, Rocker Box, and then I've got Mindful Souls, which was sent to me in PR, and I feel so bad they sent it to me and it was just after Keith died that I got the box. And I emailed them to say what had happened, and I haven't ever heard back from them, but from what it looks on the website, it looks like a lovely box, so I want to open it and show you. I'm not sure if it's still going to be available or not, but I want to show you. I thought I would just give you a little insight as to what we've been doing. This is the old kitchen. Obviously this hasn't been a kitchen for like 2.5 years now, but this is going to be the kids' playroom. The cats mostly live in here now. We finished the catio, so they've got a little, not a little, it's quite a big outside area. They've got a litter box out there and they've got climbing things, and they get up via this. They jump up on here, which I think Bandit's about to show you. Come on Bandit. Bandit. Come on. Yeah, they jump up on their little fluffy bed. And then they go outside. They're all going to come because they think it's lunchtime. It is not lunchtime yet. Binksy. What are we doing? Binksy's bum hole. Hi, Bandit boy. Hi. Hey, Bandit boy. Let's go. They're all super affectionate. They know I need all the love, so they're just giving me all the cuddles, which is nice. And there's someone else I want to introduce you to. Right there. We did film a video introducing this little person, or this little creature, before. We got him 2 days before Keith died, and we filmed a video that night, but it just didn't seem right to put it up. So I thought I would show you now. Come here. This is Rocky. Say hi. Say hi. This is Bat Dog. Say hi. Who's that boy? See, that's Rocky. He's just woke up. What are you doing? Rocky. Who's this boy? So yeah, this is Rocky. He's a good boy. We wanted a smaller dog. We weren't planning on getting a dog until sometime middle of this year probably, but Aria asked Santa for a dog, and we kind of, when we knew Keith was poorly, really poorly, we thought it may help the kids cope, and he has. We researched French Bulldogs and we know there's lots of breathing problems and stuff with them, so we are fully aware of that. However, we purchased him from a proper breeder. He's KC registered and everything, which is like Kennel Club proper registered. We've got all of his history, like generations back. However, obviously they are bred to be extra short nosed, and Rocky has got a very short snout. which is what is desirable, but we didn't. I think we did our research about them, but we didn't think that maybe it was better to get a dog from a non-breeder who wouldn't breed them to be so flat-faced. And we've spoken to a vet, and she says he's perfectly healthy at the moment. She said he is a really good candidate to have a surgery when he's a bit older, which will then stop him from having any breathing problems at all as he grows, which we will do. He's a good boy. Yoki. That my thing. That my thing. He is about, we've had him for a month, so he's like 22 weeks. He was like, no, he was 14. Oh, he must be like 17, 18 weeks. I think he was about 14 or 15 weeks when we got him. I can't remember off the top of my head just because everything's been a bit of a blur this last month. He does like a chew. He has got the most ridiculous little, look at that little bum. That little bum. Excuse me. He does like my slippers. Rocky, get off my slippers. You have lots of toys of your own to chew. Look, chew your ridiculous tiny bone. Good boy. But he's a very happy little dog. He is desperate to love the cats. Two of the cats, Gary likes him. Gary's there. And Binksy likes him. But Bandit is very, very apprehensive and hisses at him a lot. So for the moment, we are keeping them separate. Rocky has his crate. We've always created dogs. It's his own little special space. We leave the door open and he will go and put himself in there to bed. So it is his little special space. And then he obviously goes outside for a wee. He can't go for walks yet because he's not had his full vaccinations. They're happening tomorrow. And we are getting some special fencing around the garden that will stop the cats escaping because we live on a busy road, which will then let the cats have the whole of the outside space and then the house as well. And then hopefully then we can integrate them a bit more where Bandit has more special places that he can go to get away from Rocky because he doesn't like him. Binks licks him, Gary licks him, they just don't care at all. But he does like a chew. So he's apparently trying to chew one of Fox's dinosaurs. Not your toy. Rocky. What are you doing? He is a proper little cuddly boy. He loves to snuggle. And he loves running around the garden. He is super quick. For how small he is super fast. But yeah, that's Rocky. So I thought I would just show you him. So yeah, how are you all? Tell me what's been happening. Let me know what's going on. We've moved the chickens as well. They've got a new house. I'm going to pop Rocky back in his crate for a minute just while I show you the chickens. Come on, Mr. Man. Gary. Come on. Come on, you guys. Bandit. It's not actually these ones have just come in here. They don't care in the slightest. But it's Bandit. Binksy cat. Who's that? And like, there's been no hisses or barks between these ones. It's just Bandit who hisses at him. But we do let them in here when he's in his crate just to sort of have a sniff and have a see what they think. But I'll show you the chickens while they're doing that. My soup smells good. Oh, I've just lost my slipper. I'll show you the catio from out here as well. So yeah, that's the catio. And they climb it and they love it. The chickens were here. I can't see anything, it's so fucking bright. But now they've got a nice big coop at the back. They're obviously undercover because there is avian flu in the UK quite close to us at the moment, so they can't free range. But they're all here. Hi girls, what are you doing? That's Pam Pam. So if you knew, that's Pamela, Nugget, Snowy, Karen and Scratchy. Hey Pam Pam. Pamela's my favourite. She's just so pretty and likes cuddles. So yeah, there's a cat here again. I'm gonna finish my soup, making my soup, and then I'll film some videos, and hopefully I will be able to upload something not long after I upload this. So thank you so much for all your lovely messages and kindness. You guys are just amazing. And I love you all. So I'll see you later.